Easy and incredibly delicious rice recipe. First, take 350 grams of rice and place it in a glass bowl. Add water to cover and cover with cling film. Leave to rest for 3 hours so that the rice is well hydrated. After hours of waiting, drain off all the water and put the rice in the blender. This is where the magic begins. Add a tablespoon of salt, 240 milliliters of cold water, 40 milliliters of sunflower oil and a tablespoon of honey. Cover the blender and blend for 6 minutes, until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Now, to give it that special touch, add 10 grams of organic yeast and beat a little more. The yeast will make our bread rise and become fluffy. Transfer the dough to an oiled loaf tin and leave to rest for 2 hours. Resting is essential for the bread to turn out perfectly. After resting, place the pan in a preheated oven at 170 degrees and bake for 40 minutes. The aroma that will invade your kitchen is irresistible. And, success! Our bread is ready and irresistible. Imagine it with a cup of coffee. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and follow our page for more delicious tips. Bon appetit and see you next time.